Hi, my name is Klein, and this is Project 4 for Harvard's CS50W in the year 2020. So for this project, we were tasked with building a social network. So let's jump straight into the specifications. The first states that users who are signed in should be able to write a new text-based post. So let's go ahead and register a new user. Let's call this user Foo, give him a false email address, simple password, and let's go ahead and create a new post. And the new post appears. The next specification states that you should be able to see all posts by clicking the All Posts link in the navigation bar. So let's first navigate away just by going somewhere else and clicking on All Posts to return here. The next specification states that there should be a profile page for each user. Clicking on a username should load that user's profile page. So I can click on my own, I can go back to all posts, and I can click on another user. You can see that user's profile, and I can also click on this user and see this user's profile. The next spec states that the following link in the navigation bar should take the user to a page where they see all posts made by users that the current user follows. So I'll go ahead and click on Ben. Remember, I'm logged in as Foo. I'm going to follow Ben, and then when I click on following, all of Ben's posts will appear over here. The next spec states that there should be pagination on the index page that displays all the posts. Or really any page that displays posts should show only 10 at a time. So you can see that here. I have my pagination here at the top, and this is in my following. If I go to all posts, then you'll see all posts. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next specification states that a user should be able to edit a post after posting. So I already went ahead and posted this because I am logged in and this is my post. This edit button appears, and now I can add another line and hit update. And there you go. The final spec states that users should be able to like and unlike posts. So I'll just go ahead and like this post here. I will like this one here. I will like this one here. And then I'll go back and unlike this one. And you see, that goes away. Then I can unlike this one. I can like this one. And that's all. Thank you for looking at my project.